and welcome to our Above and Beyond Assembly. And once again, we have had so many nominations, so that's wonderful that you're all being so brilliant. And look who I've got today. I have got none other than Neil Armstrong, the astronaut. He has come all the way from space to see us today. So a very warm welcome to you, Neil. Thank you for joining us at Swaffield. Now, you've probably guessed, it's not really Neil Armstrong, it's our mystery guest. It's somebody who you actually know really, really well. So I'm going to ask a few questions, and I wonder if the children will be able to guess who you are. Question number 1. What is your favourite book? And while Neil Armstrong, mystery guest, is writing what his favourite book is, I'm going to say we have had so many nominations from you. Your grown-ups are so happy with you. We seem to get more and more. And even though the schools have been closed for so long, your behaviour just seems to be getting better and better. We're so proud of you. Anyway, what's your favourite book, mystery guest? Oh, it's a good one, isn't it? It's Mr. Twit with all the food in his beard. Oh, yes, Mrs. Twit. Yes, so I like that one too. Thank you very much. Right, without further ado, mystery guest, could you please give me our first nomination? Thank you very much. We would like to nominate Amelia from Gazelle class for her excellent reading. She reads to us both every day and can now read her favourite Megan Mogg books all by herself. Oh, I used to love reading those when I was your age. And she tries to read everything she can find. Very well done, Amelia. We are very proud of you from Mummy and Daddy. And we're proud of you too, Amelia. Well done. Thank you very much. A double nomination. I'd like to nominate Sam from Some Bears and Grace from Gazelles. This week they've adjusted with ease to going back into school while Mummy and Daddy are at work. They have both looked after each other and always finish the day with smiles. We're so proud of you. And we've seen Sam and Grace today, haven't we? And did they come in with smiles as well? Well done, coming in with smiles and leaving with smiles and smiling throughout the day. Well done, Sam and Grace. Hot chocolate coming your way. Thank you very much. Oh, a teacher sneaked this one in. Our teacher's breaking the rules. Oh, this must have been somebody who's very, very, very good. It's from Mrs. Naldrett. And it is for Emily in Nyala. She's been working phenomenally hard and taking her home learning so seriously. That's brilliant, Emily. No wonder Mrs. Naldrett sneaked you in. I don't blame her. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Mrs. Naldrett again. She sneaked 2 in. Double rule breaking. This is for Finn, also in Nyala, who's been working phenomenally hard and taking his home learning so seriously too. And Finlay's mum is also really wowed by his reading progress. Well done, Finn. Hot chocolate coming your way. Thank you very much, mystery guest. This is for Freddie in Chinchilla. After many weeks of trying to embed good habits, this week Freddie has approached his schoolwork with a new mindset. He has sat down each morning and tackled his work with enthusiasm and commitment, working very hard on all topics. Our PE lessons have also paid off, and, get this, he's mastered bike riding. Super proud parents, and I loved the photo of you on the bike, Freddie. That's brilliant. Year 1 and he can ride a bike. Thank you very much. Ooh, this is a double nomination again, it's quite a long one. I wonder, while I'm reading this, would you answer our next question? So my next question to you is, what is your favourite food, mystery guest? Double nomination, and this is for Blake in Chameleon and Aria in Capybara for their wonderful Lego movie they made about Florence Nightingale saving a soldier in the Crimean War. Did you see it? Wasn't it good? It was brilliant. It was inspired by Leo's Thank You NHS video. They worked together and did a wonderful job. This week, Aria did the finishing touches to her spy thriller chapter, and she has done her maths and English and written a poem. Blake has written about his favourite meal, lasagna. He has also done the St. George task and played a game of chess. Also, we did a family tree, family thought bubble diagram, and they have attacked the Joe Wicks PE each morning. My goodness me, I'm surprised you had time to go to bed. You two have been so busy. That's amazing. And your video is now on our YouTube channel. So guys, if you haven't watched their video, tune in because it's really, really good. Okay, so mystery guest, Neil Armstrong, what's your favourite food? Ah, pizza. Yeah, very good. Do you like toppings on your pizza? Okay. Next nomination. Thank you very much. It's quite tricky in those gloves, isn't it? Yes, I could imagine it's probably quite tricky when you don't have gravity as well. This is for Theo in Lima. And his mummy says he managed to do some spelling practice today. Hooray, she says. And he's learnt to ride a bike. Oh, somebody else who can ride a bike. Done a lot of cooking and coding. That's excellent, Theo. And keep up the spelling practice because that's so important and you won't regret it. Well done. Thank you very much. I'd like to nominate Max in Narwhal for the great piece of writing he produced last week about meerkats invading Swaffield School. Did you see that one? It was very fun. It was very cheeky. There were meerkats wrestling on my desk. My goodness me. It made us all laugh and brightened our day. It felt like being back at Swaffield again, which we all very much look forward to. Miss Hamilton and some other teachers are included in the story. So if you'd like to read it, it's attached to my email. And I did, and I laughed. My word, those cheeky meerkats. Well done, Max. Enjoy your hot chocolate. This one is for Elias in Tanuki because he is working very hard at homeschooling and he's been creating lovely posters and he does the Joe Wicks workout every day. Well done, Elias, and thank you for sharing a lovely picture of you and the seedling that you've been growing. Some more green fingers at Swaffield. Thank you. This is for Honor in Capybara for her beautiful 3D biome. It's a woodland scene and it had animals, foxes, badger, a hedgehog and a bird in the tree. And I wonder if Miss Whitehead has seen it because I've got to say, I think she would be really, really impressed. Well done. And I'm so pleased that you're using our YouTube videos to help and inspire you. Enjoy your hot chocolate, Honor. Thank you, mystery guest. Oh, it's another double. Gosh, you know, brothers and sisters, you're being so amazing at working together, collaborating and helping each other. Your mums and dads must be so proud. It's for Rayanne Salamander and Alia in Lima. Alia is doing amazing with her phonics and reading and we can see a lot of improvement and she's not shy to pick up a book and read to her little brother. Rayanne has been working very hard towards her mathematical skills and has also improved her handwriting a lot. Mr. Ring will be pleased with that, won't he? They also work together very beautifully, especially doing arts and crafts. And they've created a wonderful Ramadan calendar, which they are both very proud of. And I saw your Ramadan countdown calendar as well. It's beautiful. Thank you very much. Now, I'm going to leave this one for a little bit and ask our mystery guest another question. If you didn't work at the best school in the world, which is of course Swafield, what would you do for a job? And this one is for Kyron in Narwhal. Kyron, like many of us, has been finding this situation really hard. He's found it so hard to focus on his work, but he still puts a smile on his face and he makes sure everybody in his family is okay, and he's been really helpful with his baby brother, and he's been such a lovely boy helping around the house, also putting extra effort with his work at home without being told. That's fabulous, Kyron. Well done. You keep up the brilliant work and enjoy your hot chocolate. So, if you weren't working at Swafield, what job would you do, mystery guest? Oh, an engineer. Fascinating. Thank you very much. Thank you. This is for Chloe in Kangaroo. She's a great sister that loves her baby brother David Allen. She gives him lots of love and care and enjoys playing with him and seeing him happy. Oh, your grown-ups couldn't ask for more than that, Chloe. That's really wonderful. Well done. Oh, this is a long one. Oh, it's another double. It's for Miriam and Chameleon and Nadia in Kangaroo. And Mummy and Daddy say that you're two very special girls. They have been amazing over the last few weeks at home. They have been fantastic getting on with their schoolwork. Nadia has been practicing her lovely writing, and Miriam is almost finished her second chapter book. Wow. They are always happy and willing to learn and always have a positive attitude. They've been very busy baking delicious cupcakes. They've done some beautiful arts and crafts. They've been looking after the flowers, planting seeds, and they love playing their school games. They've also been doing their daily jog around the garden. We are very proud of them both, from Mummy, Daddy, and their big brother. Well done, girls, and we're very proud of you too. Oh, there's a few more left. Thank you very much. And before I ask this one, I'm going to ask you another question, mystery guest. Do you play a musical instrument? This one is for Ulu in Quokka, and it's from her Mummy and Daddy, and it says, for being strong, brave and resilient despite missing her friends at Swafield so much, and also for taking care of her sister Nooks in Lima class during this time of isolation that is so difficult for a Year 1 child, and she does it in an incredibly generous, loving and thoughtful manner, in a way that few adults are capable of, even in their most mature phase of life. What wonderful maturity that shows in you, Ulu. Thank you. And thank you, Swafield, Mummy says, for helping us to raise such extraordinary children. We are very proud of our school and we miss it every day. And we're very proud of you, Ulu, and everybody else who's watching, and we miss you every day as well. And we'll soon be reunited, so don't worry. Keep up the brilliant work. Okay, so what musical instrument, if any, do you play? Guitar. That's a good clue. Anybody guessed who it might be yet? Thank you. This is for Elsie in Lima, who made a beautiful bird feeder. And I saw the photo and they look so professional. If I'd have seen that in the shop, Elsie, I would have bought it to put in my garden. Well done. It was absolutely wonderful. Enjoy your hot chocolate. Thank you. Oh, is this the penultimate? Wow. This is for Zubaydah in Chameleon, because she is doing an amazing job of home learning, as she always loves to self-study. And she was looking after Mummy when she was sick. And Mummy says she's so proud of you, Zubaydah. Well done, Zubaydah. What a lovely, caring girl you are. And Mummy, I hope you're feeling better soon. Okay. Finally, before the lucky last, I'm going to ask you your last question, which is, what city are you from originally? Where were you born, mystery guest? And our lucky last today goes to Sabina Ngeko, as she has been very dedicated to her schoolwork during lockdown. She has also been fantastic at helping with our new puppy, Harley, feeding her and cleaning up after her. I saw the photos. Harley's so cute. Sabina helps with household chores, baking and setting the table. Well done, Sabina. So, mystery guest, which city were you born in? Dublin. Okay, so, born in Dublin, plays the guitar, favourite book is The Twits, favourite food is pizza, and what was the other one? Was there another one? That was it. Okay, can you guess who our mystery guest is? Ta-da! It's Mr. Ring! Hello, Mr. Ring!
Hello, Miss Hamilton. Hello, children. Miss Hamilton, can I just say how proud I feel right now to hear such lovely, lovely above and beyond celebrations. It's great to hear how well you're working at home. I hope you're keeping safe and well, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you all again soon.
Thank you very much for joining us. And if you happen to walk past school today, have a look at the wonderful bunting that the children who've been in school have made to celebrate Captain Tom's birthday. It's outside on St Anne's Hill. Look after yourselves, keep the nominations coming in, and we'll see you next week. Bye!
You're above, you're beyond, take a bow, you're above and beyond.